Ugh! Jeez, stop burping! It's cold in here. It's cold. It stinks. It's corny. It stinks like agitated duty. And why does this room smell like beef jerky? Like soggy beef jerky and soggy corn pops. Jesus, stop burping. But I don't want to stop burping because burping is my life. I like to drink a soda. Like, it's so good that I like to burp. I started again! Now you're getting so mad. I'll kill you. I wish I can kill you with my Atarasu. Because I wanted you to stop burping. No, please! Ah!